conversion from infix expression into prefix expression. Prefix means where we have to place the operators before the operands. Before converting, we will let's see the precedence order. Precedence order is first is bracket, second is exponent, third is asterisk or slash, whichever comes first, reading from left to right, and fourth is plus or minus, whichever comes first, reading from left to right. So let's see the solution. This is the expression. I am writing this expression again. For your convenience, if you want, you can put bracket here also. Now, first is bracket. So, innermost bracket, first we will solve which bracket? We will solve this bracket. We will solve this bracket. Prefix means placing the operators before the operands using this precedence order. So, in this bracket, which operator is having highest precedence? This operator is having higher precedence, and this operator is working on which two operands? E and F. So, rest of the expression we will write as it is as D slash. Prefix placing the operator before the operand. So, this will come here. So, exponent E and F. Asterisk G, asterisk H. Now, we evaluated each and every operator? No. Still we left with which operator? Division. We didn't work on it. So, we didn't work on it. So, now we will work on this operator. Now, we will consider this as first operand and this whole as second operand. Again we will write rest of the expressions as it is as C minus. Now within bracket, this prefix, that means operator, will come before the operand, slash D, exponent E F. This operand we will copy as it is as asterisk G, asterisk H. Now we evaluated each and every operator. Yes, we worked on each and every operator. That means now this bracket is solved. We will remove this bracket. Now we'll come in this bracket. In this bracket, now this will become first operand. This will become second operand. This will become, because it is evaluated, third operand, and this will become fourth operand. Reading from left to right, which operator is having higher precedence? Asterisk is having higher precedence. Asterisk is working on which of two operators? 1 and 2. And here also asterisk is working on which two operators? 3 and 4. So, we will evaluate first these two operators. So, A plus prefix placing the operator before the operand. So, asterisk will come first and these two operator will come after the operator. We will put minus as it is as. Now, asterisk is between these two operators also. Prefix means before. So, asterisk will come here, and first operand we will write as it is as, and then we write second operand. We evaluated each and every operator? No. Still we left with which operator? With this minus. Now, this minus is working on which two operands? First and second. This minus is working on these two operands. So, A plus asterisk BC, but asterisk BC is what? First operand, and asterisk slash G exponent EFG is second operand. They are, and one operator which is between these these two operand is what? Minus. So we will place it before, because it is prefix of expression. Minus will come here. Then we will write first operand as it is as. Asterisk BC. Then we will write second operand as it is as. Asterisk slash D exponent EFG. Asterisk H. Now we worked on each and every operator. That means we will remove this bracket. Now we are left with this. We work on it. Now how many operands are there? This is the first operand. This will become second operand and this will become third operand. Which operator is having higher precedence, plus or asterisk? Asterisk is having higher precedence. Here asterisk is in third position, plus is in fourth position. So first we will evaluate this. So it is placed before the operand. Asterisk is working on which two operand? Operand 2 and operand 3. This is operand 2 and operand 3. So we will place asterisk before that. That means A plus asterisk. Now we will copy second operand. Operand is minus asterisk BC slash D exponent EFG, and we will copy third operand H. Now we left with this, and this will become, this is first operand and this will become, from asterisk it will become second operand. So our final answer will be, we will place this plus here. So plus first operand is A, and now we will copy second operand. Second operand is asterisk minus asterisk BC slash D exponent EFG H. This will be our final answer after converting infix expression into prefix expression.